Hey guys!
Welcome back to the YouTube channel. Today we are in
Magic Kingdom, and what will we be doing, Dad?
In today's video, we're gonna do another challenge. Yes. You guys excited for another challenge?
Yes!
We're gonna do a challenge to see if we're able to ride every single mountains here in Magic Kingdom in the last 2 hours. By mountains, I mean Splash Mountain, Thunder Mountain,
Space Mountain,
and Space Mountain. The 3 most famous mountains here in Magic Kingdom. Everybody wants to do those, but sometimes we get stuck in the hotels. We may be in another park and we want to park hop over here, and we don't know if we have enough time. But guess what? Tonight we're gonna show you if you could do all 3, and if not, who knows? Maybe 2 of those. And if you're brand new around here, hello, this is Cool K Adventure Family over here. And all that we do is just recommend things that you could do with your family when you come to Disney, Magic Kingdom, or any theme park around. Because our main mission is to help you have fun when you come here to the theme park. Anyways, are you guys ready?
Yes.
Awesome, because I am. So what are we waiting on?
So let's go.
Oh, wait, Mom, hit the intro.
Mom, hit it! So at this point, we're actually starting to strategize this. Today is February 26th, and it's a Friday. And for whatever odd reason, the park got extended onto 10 o'clock. Don't know why, because I don't think the park or the parks of the resorts are that full. But anyways, so the last 2 hours of the park will be between 8 to 10. So I'm hoping that we're able to accomplish that much more from 8 to 10. But right now, Space Mountain looks like it's the lowest at 30 minutes, 60 minutes for Splash, and 50 minutes for Thunder Mountain. So that's pushing it. So we'll see. Let me not lose hope on this, but we'll obviously keep you posted throughout this video. All right, for documentation purposes, it is 7:59. Remember, the last 2 hours is from 8 to 10. We're standing here in front of Cinderella Castle. Here, there you go, 8 o'clock. So now we're gonna go over there. Once again, we're doing an experiment. Can you do all the mountains here at the Magic Kingdom in the last 2 hours? Keep in mind, the waiting time so far, Space Mountain is 30 minutes, and Thunder Mountain and Splash Mountain, both of them are between 50 to 60 minutes. So that should give you an idea, even with limited capacity, exactly what you could accomplish. So Carla, do you think we're gonna be able to do it?
Yes.
I'm crossing my fingers for the benefit of this vlog. We just got here and it took us exactly 3 minutes from where we were standing at all the way to here. Now, I can tell you right now, this line looks longer than 30 minutes, longer than the last time that we came. If you haven't watched that video, I'm gonna put it down below, but last time we did a challenge of how many rides can we do in the last 2 hours of the park, and successfully we were able to accomplish 7 of them. So we are here already, and let's see, 22 minutes. Only 22 minutes. That's not bad. At least we save some time that way. What we're gonna do is that we're gonna let the kids ride it. We're gonna let the kids ride it just for fun because they love this ride. All right, look who we got here. They survived once again on the well, that's your favorite ride anyway, right?
Yes.
How was it?
Good.
The best.
Was it good? So now we're gonna head to probably Thunder Mountain because I know it dropped to 40 minutes. But anyways, if you're finding any value on this content, make sure that you actually hit the like button. If you're brand new around here, make sure that you subscribe down below. So we have officially arrived to Frontierland, and as of now, the line for Thunder Mountain is 40 minutes versus Splash at 45. Which one we're gonna go for, Thunder? Okay, all right, for documentation purposes, currently we started timing it since the last time I turned off the camera. We're at 1 minute and 18 seconds. What time is it?
8:48.
8:48. We're cutting it close.
Technically, if this is truly 40 minutes, we should be able to get in line at Splash before park closes. So once we're in line,
Then we should be clear. We
If this is truly
will
40 minutes.
probably get out of that line after 10 o'clock, but we will be able to accomplish that goal. Yeah.
We're in line before the park closes.
And just so you know, we're making the line inside what it is, the train station, which it brings a lot of great memories. Here we are at 35 minutes, almost we're in here, so we're making it there, we're making it there.
Cause this here's the wildest ride in the wilderness!
Just holding me.
Best be holding.
Now that is cool. Quick update. We are in Splash Mountain now. We made it. It is about 9:30. Waiting time says it's 40 minutes. My guess is gonna be less than that. I'm actually timing it. But my guess is they let us in because it has to be less than that.
Yeah,
So
but we're in Splash Mountain, so you gotta do the country dance.
somebody's happy for 9:30 at night. 9:33. I hope you can see it right there. I just want to show you guys very quick. My theory was correct. It only been about 8 minutes, give and take. And here's where we are. So definitely they left it at 40 minutes towards the end. Just want to show everybody Khaled is riding by himself one more time. He loves doing that. Oh.
There's good Reddit. Being chased by Graham Fox and Graham Bear.
There's like 2 people in front of us right now. Oh, I'm getting nervous.
He sure ain't laughing no more.
Kyla,
What?
have we become the 1,000 goals yet?
Wrong ride.
Oh, wrong ride. Luckily for us, tonight actually happens to be a kind of warm night. It's like in the high 70s, or else we would have been in trouble.
Oh yeah.
This little guy, on the other hand, did he get soaked?
A little.
A little. Anyways, we want to remind everybody one more time, if you're finding any value in this content, make sure you hit that like button. And if you're brand new here, people, this is the channel to watch. Your family, exactly, your family channel right here. Subscribe. Now we call this a successful night, where not only we were able to do all the mountains, the kids and Karen are gonna do Big Thunder Mountain for a second time. And just so you know, it is just 9:58.
Hello, we back.
There you go, guys, you have it. I will call this experiment a success.
Yeah.
Yes. I love when we could do experiment for you guys and we're successful, so that way we give you ideas of what to do or what to expect when you come here to the theme park. And like I told you in the previous clip, not only we were able to do the 3 mountains, but they were able to repeat Big Thunder Mountain. And after that, it was only a 10 minutes wait. That's what Karen timed. I want to say, I mean, this is my theory. If the park closed at 10, I want to say they shut down this line at 10.
Right at 10.
At 10.
All the attractions shut down. Right
Yeah.
at
Now,
10.
don't hold me to that because I don't know what's going to happen if there's a huge line or maybe an hour, who knows. I don't know how Disney managed that, but at least tonight, at 10 o'clock, they shut it down. So not only we were able to ride 3 mountains before 10 o'clock, but an extra one.
Yes.
So that's awesome. Did you guys have fun?
Right before.
Right.
Yes, it was super fun. We haven't ride all the mountains at all before, so it was really cool.
Yeah, it was a cool, super cool night today. Well, it was a super cool night tonight.
And think riding them at night is so much cooler than during the day.
Yes.
Like, all the
So
lights
much
are
prettier.
so amazing.
Especially in Big Thunder.
Yeah, we highly recommend if you could hold, especially like Alao said, Big Thunder Mountain for the nighttime, do so. It's so nice, so beautiful,
You
so
see
cool.
the castle all lit up. It's beautiful.
Yeah. Highly, highly recommend it.
There's this one angle that you're going up and you just see the lights of the castle, and it's
So
so
pretty.
Yeah. Anyway, family, we hope you enjoyed this adventure, but sadly it's over. With that said, we want to remind everybody to
Subscribe,
And smash that like button and turn that bell for notifications.
bing, 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 and feel free to comment down below. Always remember to
smile out, be great.
Be cool.
and stay awesome. See you guys in the next adventure. Bye,
Bye,
guys.
guys.
Boom.
Boom.
Boom. See ya.
Bye.